Now before we get started with today's video, we have a very important decision we have to make. We're going to take the GTR out or the NISMO. GTR 370 NISMO. GTR, I think we should take... Welcome back to the vlog, guys. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Lance. Thank you guys so much for clicking today's video. If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe. I'm located here in Hawaii and just making cool automotive content for you guys to see. But today we are gonna take the GTR out. I'll be honest, I was planning to film tomorrow. So today's Saturday, depending on when I drop this video. But today's Saturday. Tomorrow I had everything planned to where we're gonna finish putting the GTR all together. But I'll be honest, I got bored. I got super bored, so I just dropped the most recent video of the GTR with the Widebody M4, and I'll put the link up there as well. But make sure you guys go check out that video. But I just felt bored and I felt like I just wasn't gonna do anything for the rest of my day, so I figured I just take you along. I'm gonna go get food. I actually didn't even make myself breakfast today. It's already 1:45 right now, so we're gonna go take the car for a little spin, get some food, bring the GTR back. I'm gonna explain everything that's gonna be done to the GTR, and at the same time I'm also gonna be talking about what is next for the 370z. And again, if you guys haven't subscribed either, make sure you guys subscribe, hit the post notifications. I'll drop vlogs every Tuesday, and if I have extra content throughout the week, I'm gonna try push out the extra videos for you guys as well. So make sure you guys subscribe and drop a like for today's video, and let's go for a little drive. Now, one thing that we're gonna have to figure out is the airlift performance and the ride height. So I have the car set about 90 all around for the actual ride height, and from what I was reading on the service manual, it actually says that the car should be sitting at around 70 psi, but I have it around 90. So what I'm assuming is I'm either gonna have to drop the car lower and make the dampening a little bit more stiffer, that way that we don't have that much rebound because the car's already sitting that low. But the reason why I have it sit at 90 is because of the tire life of the car. Once we hit anything below 90 psi, like, it's just too much camber, and at the same time these tires are so expensive and they took forever to get here. So I'm looking at about a $2,000 setup of tires, and I don't want them to last less than what they're expected to be, if that makes sense. So that's another problem we're gonna have to figure out. As I was leaving my neighborhood, one of my random neighbors was like, "Yo, you got the car painted finally." I'm like, "I know, finally, right?" I don't know, I guess he kind of admired the build. I honestly don't know who he is or where he lives, but he's like, "Yo, the car's painted." I know. So for the last video, I wanted to get more sound clips of the car with the blow-off valve, but I had the microphone settings like really bad. So hopefully oh, I just love that sound of blow-off valve. It's so cool. Oh my god. Do I dare? Do I dare? I'm going to just share my Filipino style with you guys. We got the pancit, the lechon, and the rice. And now, let's eat. Ah yes, now that I'm full. Oh, let's go pay someone a visit. Now, if there's one thing I'm absolutely looking forward to is the holiday season. Like late nights going home from work, it's slowly creeping down to the mid-60s. And you know what that means? That's boost weather for Hawaii. One thing that I do have to mention is that when we dynoed the car, it was in the summer, it was dead hot in the shop, and you know, even though we put about good numbers and I wanted over 600, I really think this car could probably get about 620 horses with the injectors that are limiting it right now because it's at a higher duty cycle. It's like in the high 90s if I'm not mistaken. But I think if we, I'm just saying, if we were to re-dyno the car, I think this car could probably make about 620 in the colder weather. All right, one more time, one more time. Oh, I misshifted. Oh, I shifted way too early on that one. At the Hellfire garage, we got some spiciness going on. Dude, what the heck?
No,
wait, let's just show the line.
Don't look at it too much.
That's dope.
Don't look at it too much.
So you can toggle it without the car being on? That's so dope. Oh my god. Alright, let's get the front. Oh my god. Wait, so you're manually draining?
I have an AccuAir block in the Audi right now.
Oh, so that's how you're doing away with it.
Eventually, I'll move it to the AccuAir block.
This is what we wanted to do
He's
to
spicy.
my Mustang. Oh my god. That is so sick. And he got the custom fab louvers. That's nuts. Okay, we gotta show the rears. Gotta show the rears. So dope. Supercharged SCCA car, bagged, like so much craziness in just one car. Unfreaking believable. Dude, that's so sick. Oh, so that's how we're filling it. Tell me not, this is, as jank as this may seem, this is so cool. Like just to do it with an actual compressor.
And this is 100 psi regulated, like how fast it goes up.
Oh, that's pretty fast. How big is the line? Quarter?
This is a quarter.
Unorthodox line. But I dig it. So wait, what struts are you running?
This is airlift.
The airlift ones?
Airlift performance front rear.
But you're gonna pair it with AccuAir
Yeah.
manifold?
Weird, right?
Gotta show love to the Beamer. Gotta show love. What we got working on over here?
So, getting 1500 watt amp, 10 inch.
Oh, those
Non-ported
sounds.
Oh, y'all watching, don't do this.
This is the guy that's gonna be installing our DRLs tomorrow.
Don't do that either.
I trust him. Man, look at this interior. So clean. Super clean. Chino, do you ever have any passengers or what?
It's gonna rub, though.
And it's time to get out of here. Gotta go to work, unfortunately. And also, we was just talking about this before we left, but Chino's watching Squid Games right now. Me and Aaron already finished the series of Squid Games, but let me know in the comments, guys, if you guys were to rate Squid Games. If you guys haven't watched Squid Games, get a Netflix account. I've never watched the most emotionally captivating series ever. It's just the innocence of the games that are played that's like just spin 180 in the most messed up way. Like, oh, such a good series. But now, one thing a lot of you guys have been asking is that if I like the fact that the car is straight pipe, and my answer is yes. The exhaust that I have is a Pastor JDM, and they don't make it anymore, so in a way it's kind of like a rare part for the GTR R35. But being that it's stainless and it's a straight pipe exhaust, the drone, it's not that bad when you're just cruising. Like right now I'm cruising and I have the car in automatic. I don't have it in manual mode right now, but just cruising along the highway, like the drone is very tolerable, if not very slim to none. I don't have any sound deadening in the car or any added sound deadening in the car, and it's just, I don't know, if you guys really like loud cars and you want your car to be straight pipe one day, if you get an R35, getting a straight pipe is not that bad. Now, one thing that I've been dying to get is the carbon fiber steering wheel. After seeing Armando's carbon fiber steering wheel on the Varus M4, now I want to get one that's just carbon fiber. I don't know if I'm gonna do the whole RPM lights up top over here, but just to have a carbon fiber wheel, like, I think that's one of the very first things I want to do for the interior mods of the GTR. Whether we go matte carbon or gloss carbon, I do want to put like that little accent stripe over here. Either it's going to be silver or it's going to be blue. Let me know, what should we do? Well, by the time you see the end of this video, I'm actually editing today's video right now for you guys to see it when I drop it tomorrow. That makes sense. On that day when I was at Aaron's house, I spent a little bit too much time, so I had to rush to get out of there just to go to work. So I just wanted to give an update on the 370Z, what is to come, what am I gonna do with the car, is it gonna be built, is it not, am I keeping it stock? Well, for one, I'm just gonna say that for now, it's gonna stay stock, but I do wanna get like all the parts, or how do I say this? I wanna get phase one together of like the mods that we're gonna do for the 370z NISMO, and then I want to do like a little build series, so probably like a few episodes of just strictly on working on the Z. I'm going to be doing a good amount of traveling within the next couple months. At the beginning of this month of October, I'm going to be going to California with Rhea because she has her own business trip and I'm tagging along with her because she has like a convention thing to go to. And being that we're going to be in California, in Irvine, I'm also going to be going ahead and checking out South OC Cars and Coffee, and also I think it's Fest or Nissan Fest. So be on the lookout for those. I'm going to try to vlog as much as I can. If you guys want to see what I'm up to, follow my Instagram, follow my TikTok as well. And from October, so yeah, beginning of October, I should say. And then towards the end of October, it's actually Rhea's birthday, and the next week is my mom's birthday. So I'm going to be kind of busy with that as well. And then the week after that, we're actually going to be going to Vegas. We're going to go check out the SEMA show. Unfortunately, we can't bring the car there, but I'm still keeping that as part of the bucket list. I'm going to keep that dream going till hopefully one day we can bring the GTR to SEMA. But this year, you know, with the timetable of everything, it just couldn't work out. But nonetheless, I'm still trying to go to SEMA, and I'm bringing Rhea along with me. And we're also trying to get floor access, so not just see everything outside of SEMA, but also inside of SEMA, like the actual, you know, convention halls and stuff like that. So I'm still working on that as well. So be on the lookout for all that type of stuff. And that's why for now, the 370z NISMO is gonna be like on a halt, just a little bit. But still, I'm gonna keep it in the vlogs because I do love that car. It's very fun to drive. Like if I wanted to, I could just keep it stock. But I know that you just can't keep a car stock forever. So that's the plan for the Z. That's the plan for me within the next few months. I'm going to be making more automotive content, probably do some stuff in the mainland as well. California, Vegas. So again, if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe, hit the post notification. That way you guys know I drop vlogs every Tuesday. And if I have extra vlogs, I'm going to drop vlogs throughout the week. So yeah. Stick around, got a lot more stuff for you guys. As soon as we get all the parts for phase 1 of the 370z NISMO, then I'll let you guys know when that time will come. That way you guys can be on the lookout for some 370z NISMO build content. But like what I say in all my videos, the dream is just to build cool cars and have fun with them, whether or not it's stock or modded. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Again, subscribe, like, and remember, you guys are all called to be great in your own way. Stay driven, and always to remember, challenge your standards.